Hey, I'm Anderson. We're here on the Oceanfront at Regal Retreat. Beautiful 7-bedroom home located in Buck Island, Corolla. Let's go ahead and get inside and check it out. We're going to start on the top floor. There's a kitchen, dining area, great room, master bedroom, and a half bath. You can see why they call this home the Regal Retreat. This bedroom is huge. On one side we have our very spacious bathroom with a whirlpool tub and a shower, and on the other we have an oceanfront sitting room. This is the top floor, oceanfront back deck. As you can see, there's plenty of seats. You can have front row seating for every sunrise. Who doesn't love a hot tub with an ocean view? This is the sitting room located on level 2 of the home. Level 2 also has 3 master bedrooms with a king, and queen bed. Each of those has their very own private whirlpool bathtub, as well as oceanside deck access. There's also a bedroom with 2 twin beds, another with 2 bunk beds, and a full bath in the hallway. The downstairs game room is a great place to hang out, play foosball, and watch TV. And we also have a full-size fridge, so you don't even have to leave to get your drinks. The elevator makes check-in day a breeze. Who needs to go to the movie theater when you have one like this right downstairs? All you need to do is grab a drink from the wet bar, kick back in one of our reclining theater seats, and enjoy a movie with the family. The beach access leads straight from the home to the beach. The pool area is located on the west side of the home, meaning that it gets tons of sunlight all day long. This is especially good for you afternoon swimmers. There's plenty of places to lounge out here. We also have a grill and some tables right here in the pool area, so you can cook out while everyone's swimming.